Hey guys, Mark McMahon Real Estate. Today we're going to talk about vacation rentals. Are they a good investment? Are they a bad investment? Mediocre? Let's dive in. If that sounds interesting, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and hit the notification button. Allie adores it when you do that. So I like the idea of vacation rentals. Even my fair city of Costa Mesa says it's A-okay to do it. But they've also got the power to say, hey, it's not okay anymore, and we're going to take that right away from you. So you've got to be really careful with where you pick your vacation rentals. Now, there are areas like Orlando where I don't know how strong the hotel lobby is there, but there's so many condos for rent over there and around Disney World and that particular area. I'm not down on vacation rentals. I just want you to be careful because there's a lot of people out there talking about them. I know a couple of guys that are doing them that are doing very well, and they're doing it smart. They're doing it in areas that I don't think there's going to be issues with. Having said that, I don't know which way it's going to go. Are going to definitely have to do your due diligence, do your research. Think about it. I'm going to look at some notes here that I took. Airbnb has 7.9 million active listings as of December 2020. And it's a 2.6% increase from 7.7 million in 2019. So it's going up. And this was pre-COVID. So during COVID, there was quite the boom in vacation. And 57.8 million bookings were made on Airbnb in 2020. That's amazing. That's amazing. So the numbers are astoundingly large for Airbnb. So do I think the business model itself is going away? No, I don't. I really don't. I think it will continue to grow, but there are areas where it will not. So don't be lulled into a false sense of security thinking that, oh my God, I'm going to make so much money in Los Angeles with Airbnb. Guess what? They can shut you down like that. The number one thing I like about them is the amount of cash flow that they throw off. I can take an average house in my neighborhood, which is about $1 million. I know for a fact that I can get $500 to $700 a night, even if I just rented out my house. I pay $1 million. So remember, quick calculation, if you use today's interest rates, is take the amount of money that you're going to purchase your house for, the amount the loan is going to be, and multiply it by 5%. So $1 million times 5, so it's going to be what, $50,000 a year divided by 12, which is, let's just say $4,000, $5,000 a month. And I'm going to get $700 a night. Does that cash flow, guys? It cash flows like crazy. You make your house payment in almost the first week, and the rest is gravy, right? If you can keep it full. It's one of the only ways to make houses cash flow right now in high-end areas. If you do not manage it well, if you've picked the wrong place, it can be the biggest nightmare you ever had. If you don't manage it well, what that means is you let anybody in and you go, oh, yeah, well, okay, yeah, you're good for 2 nights. I think that's great. And someone comes in and throws a massive party. You didn't do your due diligence. Thing I don't like about vacation rentals is the lack of control that you've got over whether the area that you're in will allow you to keep it functioning as a vacation rental in the future. Guys, I hope that gives you kind of an idea of vacation rentals and what you can expect, the good, the bad, the ugly. I would encourage you to listen to some other people before you jump off the vacation rental boat or jump on it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and don't forget to make Allie happy by signing up for notifications. She is so excited every time she sees that someone did that. Also, download my list on how to get started down below. It's really cool. It only takes a second. I'm not going to charge you anything for it. What I really want you to do is learn how to get your first investment property, and that's exactly what it talks about. So if you guys could take the time to do that, I would be ever so grateful, and I'll talk to you next time. Hey guys, check out these 2 videos. They're really going to help you on your investment journey. I'm also on Instagram. Tons of great video content there. Really good stuff. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.